So what's up, guys? We got a package from UPS. It's something my sister gave me for my birthday. Let's go ahead and open it up. I don't think I need a knife. Let's see what it is. Like I said, I don't need to open it up or close it. This looks real cool. I'm excited. Look at this. They are my paddle shift extensions or extenders, whatever, for my car that my sister got me. Can you not? I'm filming. These things are awesome. Here they go, right here. Here's the minus and the plus sign if you can see them. They look real good. We're about to go install them on my car. We're actually about to go wash my car as well. These are so nice. Wow, they're gonna look so good on the car. So let's put them back in the bag, and then we're gonna go downstairs, drive to the car wash, which is also in my apartment complex, and we're gonna try to install them. See you guys in a little bit. So the new paddle shifters are gonna go right here. Just gonna go right over the OEM paddle shifters. It's gonna probably extend about this long. We're gonna go to the car wash and we'll probably install them there. So we'll see you guys as soon as we get to the car wash. All right, and just like that, we're at the car wash. Now we are about to install the paddle shifters. But first I'm gonna take a look behind here just to see how they're gonna go. I'm gonna test fit them, then we'll throw them on.
So we'll start off with the minus one. Okay, looking at the Houston. Yeah, we're gonna start off with the downshift first. Let's peel this off real quick. Just make sure I try to do it as neat as possible so I don't rip anything up that is meant to go in there. So these things actually sit there and last.
Alrighty. So go right towards the back. And we just squeeze them in to the OEM one. Just kind of hope they're in there tight. Alrighty, that's the first one in. It looks super good. Now let's just hope and pray it stays on. I'm pretty positive. I mean, honestly, these were eBay ones. They are real close to the ones that you get at ECS Tuning or Euro Tuning, anywhere, you know, online. My little sister got me these for my birthday, so obviously they're cheaper, but they'll do the job. They look phenomenal. I don't really use my pedal shifters a lot anyway, so it shouldn't be a problem when we try to downshift and having it fall off. I really like to use the manual DSG. So let's try to get this one on really quick. Then we'll let it sit for a little bit, and then from there we'll start the car wash montage. Let's get this in here. Seems about right. Make sure. Yes. Seems about right there.
Whenever I shift, I do it down here. Like from here, not from up here. Yeah, I do it from the middle. I wouldn't do it from the sides.
There we go. Let me see. Now this is how they look.
What are you looking at, bitch?
They look real good. Here's the upshift. Here's the downshift. Look how beautiful they look. Makes a big difference in the car. Now I can shift up and down, and the car just looks 10 times better. Thank you to my little sister. I love you. This is a great late birthday present. Now, to try to wash the car, there's somebody that just made it to the car wash. There's only one hose, so let's beat them to it. All right, so while this, tries to fill up, look at the car, it's so dirty. It's got pollen all over it. I don't expect it to last long, but it's gonna sit in the garage for a week or in our car tarp or whatever. But I went to a car meet the other day, and I took it to an automatic car wash because I was kind of in a rush. Okay, the water's full. Close it. I took it to an automatic car wash, and the pressure of it opened my gas cap. I think it opened it up, and it just made my thing fly out. So I don't have a freaking gas cap for now, but it'll be all right. So yeah, let's get the car wash started. I'm gonna set you guys down, and I'm gonna.
What are we sponsoring today?
Not Armor. I want to sponsor by McGuire's. So
McGuire's, hit them up.
McGuire's, hit me up, please. I love McGuire's to death. So I use their products a lot. I actually use their products in my truck to clean up my wheels. McGuire's is the way. There she goes, all cleaned up.